Thanks for joining me for video 5 of the Customer Connect web training video series. This video will cover the Campaigns tab of Customer Connect in 4 parts. Part 1 will cover steps 1, 2, and 3, and will show you how to create and name your campaigns and emails and how to edit the email defaults. Part 2 will focus on step 4 for targeting contacts using segmentation. Part 3 will discuss selecting and editing template content using the template editor. And Part 4 will cover using the built-in spam checker, sending test emails, how to schedule a one-time send now or send later email, and how to apply the enable recurrent setting for set and forget sending. Under step 1, you can create a new campaign, delete an unwanted campaign, or work with an existing campaign for editing and sending. You'll notice that there are several email campaigns that are included in your account, such as Welcome New Customers and Customers We Miss. These campaigns come with pre-built settings that will help you when setting up a recurring or set and forget email, which will be discussed in Part 4. From step 1, I'll start my new campaign by clicking the Add New Campaign blue plus sign under the campaign display box. Using the fields that appear below, I will name my new campaign. I'm running a series of late summer sales at my store, Carl Sporting Goods. Now let's go to the Select Email section. I'll make a new email inside of the late summer sales campaign. Click the Add New Email blue plus sign to create the email. This email I will name Late August Golf Sales in my email name line. The email name line will only be seen from Customer Connect and is for your internal reference only. Now I will name the email subject line something I think my customers will be responsive to. Try to make subject lines short and to the point. You can find a good subject line guide by clicking the More link at the top left of the screen. Now I want to take a moment to discuss variables in Customer Connect. Variables were mentioned briefly under the Manage tab, but they come more into play under the Campaigns section, as this is where they are applied to your emails. Variables are place-holding text for data that will be different from contact to contact and cannot be typed just once and be accurate for all recipients. Examples include recipient first name and last name, loyalty point balance, customer number, recipient email address, etc. Instead of having to type this information into your emails for every recipient, which would be an almost impossible task, a variable can be inserted to let Customer Connect know that you would like it to fill in this unique information for each of your recipients. For instance, if I wanted to give a personalized greeting for my recipients, I might insert the variable recipient first name at the beginning of my subject line. To insert a variable, just click the Insert Variable link to open the variable menu and then click the desired field. Now when I send this email, Customer Connect will automatically replace this pound type word with what is contained in that individual's Counterpoint customer record, or what is contained in Customer Connect. It is important to note that if there is no data in a Customer Connect record to fill in a variable placeholder, then Customer Connect will simply leave it blank. For more information about variables and where Customer Connect gathers this data, do a search for variables at the top bar and find the article, Why Would I Want to Insert a Variable into My Email Content or Subject Line? Below the subject line, you will see the check marks to include your social media links set up under the Manage Defaults tab mentioned in the previous video. While social media is an extremely powerful way to get your message out, and you will still most likely want to use the links, it is important to consider which messages you want your customers to easily post in public forums on the internet. For exclusive discounts or more personal messages, you may choose to exclude these links. I'll include mine for this demonstration. Another consideration for this page is that if you are going to include the social media share link for Facebook, then you should not include variables in the email subject line, as this unsightly ## placeholder will not populate on your contact's Facebook wall. This does not apply to Twitter. Next are the Counterpoint Discount and Counterpoint Online promo fields that will allow you to match code set up in Counterpoint for the Redeems reporting column mentioned in the Exploring the Results tab video of the series. Using discount codes is the quickest, most accurate, and effective way to associate sales with your marketing. For more information and directions for setting up these codes, please refer to the help database within Counterpoint POS or speak with your authorized Counterpoint reseller. To delete an email that has not yet been sent, simply click the red X at the bottom of the select email box. Now that I have set up an easily identifiable email name, a direct and clear subject line, and my social media links, I'm ready to go to the next step. When creating a new email, Customer Connect will automatically apply the default settings that you have set up under the Manage Defaults tab covered in video 4 of the series. While this will most likely be what is used for the majority of your mailings, you may occasionally want to change a setting for a particular email, such as a different reply to email address or different social media links. To change away from the default settings that will apply for this email alone, simply uncheck the Use Default Email Settings checkbox at the top of this page. If you would like to overwrite the global defaults from the Manage Defaults section with your new settings, click the Save as Default Email Settings link in the upper right of the screen. For this email, I'll stick with my original defaults. This concludes Video 5, Part 1. Part 2 will cover Step 4 for selecting recipients by using segmentation. Please join me again. Thanks.